Hey guys, and happy Saturday. Today is So You Think You Can Craft, and my co-host is the amazing Devin from The Freckled Mom, and she picked rocks as our item of the month, and I'm excited because I don't think I've ever done anything with rocks, and I have a couple of ideas. One of them didn't fall through because I couldn't find what I needed. So I had to think of something else, but I think I found a pretty cool alternative. So I'm going to start with the easiest one just because my hot glue is still warming up. And welcome to anyone who is new here. And thank you so much for stopping by. If you're coming over here from the playlist, I hope you stick around, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and stick around, for my upcoming videos. I'm hoping to start adding more videos, more content, kind of being a little bit more consistent, especially now that the kids are going to be out of school. So I'll just have a little bit more freedom as far as my time is concerned. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. I know it's been kind of a crazy ride, but I appreciate everyone who has stuck around and, stayed with me here. So we're going to get started, and I'm going to try it, show you a couple of different ways that I'm going to do it. These are really, really easy, and I only have 2 DIYs today because, like I said, the other one that I wanted to do, I couldn't end up doing. But I got these, let me see, these garden dishes from the Dollar Tree, and these little bowls. These are from the party section, and this is from like the garden section, and they usually have a different shape. It's more rounded, but this is what they had now. And I had another one, but it broke, so I had to go and grab another one. So there's that. I had a few issues today when I was trying to get this together. Hopefully I can pull this off. There we go. Okay. Pull the one from the inside off here. Okay. So there's actually a couple of different ways that you can do this. Now, my original plan was to use a chafing burner and make like a tabletop, what's it called? Fire pit. But I couldn't find the chafing burners at the Dollar Tree, and so I ended up just thinking of a different idea. And if I was going to do that, I probably would have used like a glass dish or a glass plate or bowl or whatever. Or if I was going to use these, I would have put like a coaster, like one of those ceramic coasters on the bottom, just because I'd be worried that it would burn the plastic. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these stones from the Dollar Tree. Really, like I said, these are going to be so simple and so easy. And I have kids, so this will be even better to use. Try and be as quiet as I can with these. Now you can paint the bowls if you want to. You can spray paint them. You can do whatever you want. I wanted to use the clear because I want to be able to see the rocks. Like, if you're sitting down or if it's just a little bit higher, higher up. I want to be able to see the rocks. So I got that. And then I found these color changing tea lights candles. Now you can use like just the regular, white or regular colored ones. But I like the idea of them being a different color. Now if I could just get it open. There we go. Alrighty. I told you these little ideas are so simple. So then we're just gonna put those in there, kind of hide it in there. Oh, I took it out already. Cover it up. Or you can sit them on top if you want to, but I kind of want them hidden there. And I'm going to use 4 of them because it's a pretty wide bowl. But I'm also going to show you a different way if you want to try that way. Then you've got yourself a cute little like light bowl, and it's going to look really cute in the dark. and it'll look cute on any tabletop. You can, like I said, you can use just a regular, you know, single color if you want to, but I thought that changing color would be really, really cute. Then you can also use like a bowl and use a regular size candle and put it in there and just do the same, you know, have the same effect. So I just thought that was really cute and a really easy way to kind of decorate your outdoors or even on your, you know, dining room table, and then you don't have to worry about fire or anything like that. So that's idea number one. And like I said, these are really, really simple. Nothing, you know, way out there. Kind of get some easy decor ideas. So we have that one. And then I'm going to use one of these Dollar Tree burner covers. It doesn't matter what the picture is on the top because you're just going to use this side. And then I'm using these other stones from the Dollar Tree. They are a little bit flatter and kind of more like the same size as far as like how big they are. Oh, this came with 2 bags on it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, again, oh, I can't do that. So what we're going to do, let's see, how do I want to do it? Yeah, we're just going to put some in here, kind of see what we're working with here. And you can even do this with like a Dollar Tree trivet that's too big. We need some rocks that are like the same size. So I'm just going to put them in here and kind of get these broken ones out of here. I don't want those in there. These little bitty ones probably won't work too well. So we're going to take some of those out. Broken ones, broken. Just kind of flatten it out here. Fill in as much of the space as possible. It's too big. Something a little bit smaller here. Get these out of here. Trying to get the consistency of like the size of the rocks. Let's keep that the same. Alright, I think that's good. And then maybe fill in some of these little empty spaces. Ready? And then now we know that hot glue does not really stick very well to metal, but for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to use hot glue, and then you're just going to go through, put some hot glue on at the bottom of the, oops, if I can get a hold of the rock here. Put some hot glue on the bottom of the rock and just glue it on in there. And you're just going to go around and do the same thing to all of them. And I am not going to show you me doing, oops, I hit the camera. Okay, I'm not going to show you me gluing all of these on here because that would be pretty monotonous, but I'm just going to show you. You just kind of fit them in there like a little puzzle and just keep going all around. I may either speed it up or just kind of come back one time. Done. We'll see. I haven't decided yet. Still, you know, as you go, you might have to switch out some of the rocks, and that's fine. Just to kind of get something a little bit more. You want it to be as flat as possible, which is, you know, really kind of an oxymoron since we're using round rocks. You want it to be flat, but yeah, you're just trying to make it as flat as possible or as even as possible. So you just kind of keep going. This one's kind of big. This one's broken. And again, you don't have to use the Dollar Tree rocks, but I just like these, and you know, for $1.25, why not? Let's see here. This one's a little bit flatter. All right, so those are the rocks that I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get these all glued, and then I will be back. All right, so now that my game of rock Tetris is over, this is what it looks like. And like I said, for the purpose of the video, so that I can kind of get it done quicker, I used hot glue, but this is not going to hold. You would want to use some E6000 or some type of super glue, some kind of epoxy or something like that so that it stays on there. But again, for the purpose of the video, to make it quick and easy, I just went ahead and used some hot glue, and there's strings all over the place. But now you can use this as a trivet. You can use this to put a flower pot on. There's so many different ways that you can use it. I think it would look great indoors or outdoors. You can paint this if you don't want it to be white on the bottom. I like the simplicity of it, you know, kind of clean and white. And there was some parts that I could probably have tried to find a small, but I couldn't find anything small enough to fit in there, but like these little spots. So that's why if you want to color the bottom of it, you know, a different color, if you have some type of epoxy that you want to use, you can fill this in. I don't have anything like that, and I thought this was just simple enough, easy enough to use just like this. And I'm trying to see if I have like a flower pot or something that I could put on here, but it doesn't look like I have one nearby. So again, you can use it as a trivet in your kitchen. You can use it outdoors. So if you're having like an outdoor event, you can put, you know, use it to put dishes on that way. But it's just, you know, like I said, a cute, natural kind of way to decorate and use up some rocks and some stones. So that's it. Those are the 2 DIYs that I have for you today. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. And thank you, Devin, for agreeing to co-host with me. You're amazing. Be sure to check out her channel. I'll have all her information in the description box along with the playlist, so you can check out everyone else who is participating in my challenge. And for everyone who participated, thank you so much for making these challenges successful and making them what they are, because without you guys I would not be able to, you know, put these challenges on. So thank you so much. And for anybody who would like to join, just contact me. You're welcome. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can just contact me and send me pictures of anything that you've created, and I would love to share those with my viewers over on Instagram, here on my community tab. I love seeing what you guys do, especially if you recreated something that I've made, or have, you know, made something with your own spin. I would love to see what you came up with. So be sure to, you know, message me either on Instagram, or you can email me. My email will be in the description box. That is it for today, guys. Until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye, guys.